beautiful gems. So the kids got hubby an amazing gift, and Bay was so excited that I just had to share this with you. It's something that he has wanted for a very long time, and so I'm going to share not only the gift and do the unboxing, but the DIY. So stick around and stay tuned. Hubby is amazing. He's motivational. He is always ready to offer encouragement, and he's definitely my inspiration for all that I do. He's always courageous, and I admire that about him because he gives a lot of hope. And he's definitely the visionary of our family because he's true and he's honest and he's loving and he's always ready to share wisdom with others, and I'm very proud of him. So I had a lot of success in finding some great things for hubby, so stick around and see what I found.
Oh, there it is. External speakers, I guess. That is the record player. It's very cool.
So I decided to add a bit of embellishment and personalization to hubby's old school radio by Musitrend. And hubby absolutely adores lions, and he loves watching animal shows. So this is one of his trademarks, just one of the amazing trademarks and things that I love about him. So I'm going to embellish it with this lion, and I'm also going to add his initial, and so stick around.